Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, my friend, we want to explain about the geographic of India, Indonesian, and Indian. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Imran. I host and the first president.
My name is Maulana Makrum and I second president.
My name is Ahmad Yusuf Haidar Humam. I treat president.
Okay, we want to go to the first president. Chapter 1, Background. Geographic of Indonesian Southeast Asian Region Coordinates 5,000 S and 12,000 East. Region ranked 40 and 5,044,055 kilometers per second. The 35.3% land and 64.97% of Malaysian bordered waters 2019 kilometers. Papua New Guinea 8,024 kilometers or 5,012 mi. East Timor 2,053 kilometers or 1,057 mi. Puncak Jaya or Cartens Pyramid 4,084 m or 60,024 ft. Sea low point level 0 m or 0 ft. Kapuas Rivers longest river 1,043 kilometers or 7,010 mi. Lake Tobas, Laggard Lake 1,130 kilometers per second or 436 mi. Weather tropical weather tropical hot, humid, hot, thickly cooler in the highlands, mostly lowlands on the coast. Thickly cooler in the highlands, mostly lowlands on the coast. Larger islands have mountains in the interior of Southeast Asia. In the Malay Archipelago between the Indian Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. Geographic coordinate 6 LU and 11 LS and from 95 BC and 141 BC. Environment current problem: illegal logging. Laggard Island have mountains in the interior of Southeast Asia. In the Malay Archipelago between the Indian Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. Geographic coordinate 6 LU and 11 LS and from 95 BC and 141 BC. Environment current problem: illegal or logging. Water pollution for interstitial and mining waste. Water pollution from interstitial and mining waste. Water pollution in the urban. Jakarta is the third energy desert city in the world. Smoke and haze from forest fire. Permanent or unable to extinguish forest fires. Environment of natural reserves or wildlife sanctuaries. Poaching, trafficking, and expansion of fertile wild animals. Destruction of coral reefs, disposal of the tree or radioactive waste for developed countries. Waste disposal with dispersion or processing will musil in Sidoarjo, East Java. B. Geographic Indian continent of South Asian Indian subcontinent coordinate 121 N and 778 East. Region ranked to mean 7 and 3,287 200 63 kilometers. 98% and 92%. Border waters total and boundary 5,106, so 170 kilometer or 90, 90, 90, 93, 80, 86 me. Bangladesh for 4,669 kilometer. People's Republic of China 3,048 kilometer. Pakistan 2,910 kilometer or 1,808 me. Nepal 1,075 kilometer. Myanmar 1,064 kilometer. Bhutan 699 kilometer. Kancing juga high point 8,598 m. Quantanat low point negative 2.2 m. The largest river, Ganges River, 2,525 kilometer or 8,284. Largest Lake Danaular 260 kilometer. India lies on the Indian plate, the northern part of the Indo-Australian plate, whose content occurs from the Indian subcontinent. The country is located north of the equator between 4 to 37 north latitude and 98 to 97 east latitude. India is the 70th largest country in the world with a total area of 32,872 square kilometers. India measures 3,240 kilometer or 1,997 meters from north to south and 2,933 kilometer or 1,822 meters from east to west. India has a land boundary of 50,200 kilometer or 9,445 meters and coastline of 7,560 kilometer or 4,971 meters. In the south, India just inward and is bounded by the Indian Ocean, in particular by in the Arabic Sea in the southwest, by the Lakadewa Sea in the south and the Bay of Bengal in the southeast. The Pearl Star and Mannar Bay skirted India for Sri Lanka in the Myanmar southeast, and the Maldives about 400 kilometers or 250 meters. To the southwest, India's Andaman and Nicobar Island about 1,200 kilometers or 750 meters. southeast of mainland share maritime borders with Myanmar, Thailand, and Indonesia. The southernmost tip of mainland India, while the southernmost point in the Indian is Indira Point to Great Nicobar Island. Okay, next to the second percentage for Mr. Mat.
The northernmost point under India Road is Indira Fall, Sachin Glacier for India's territorial water. 2. What are the advantages in Indonesia geographically? J. Purpose of the paper. The purpose of the paper, we can compare the geographical location between Indonesia and India, and we can know more about the country of Indonesia and the country of India. From this paper, we can get knowledge that we don't know now, such as, for example, the geographical location of India, so we have to learn it properly. Chapter 2. Introduction. The answer to the above problem formula is 1. Java Island, Kalimantan Island, Sulawesi Island, Bali Island, Maluku Island, Papua Island, Madura Island, Nias Island, Lombok Island, Belitung Island, Sumbawa Island, Jambi Island, Gorontalo Island, Sumba Island, Buton Island. Okay, next to present tense.
From the geographical location of Indonesia, actually has the advantage of being extrovert for international travel traffic, both land, sea, and air. District out the tow within now 12 miles 38 mi of the coastline. India northern border is mainly defined by the Himalayan mountains, where the Indian border China, Bhutan, and Nepal. The western border with Pakistan is located in the Punjab, Palahid, and the desert. In the far north, the Chin Hills and Kachin Hills, even frozen mountainous are separated India from Myanmar. The test border with Bangladesh is mainly defined by Tekasi Hills and Misol Hills, and the water separating areas of the Indo-Ganges Lord. The gas in the longest river the began in India. The gas Brahmaputra system of most of northern, central, and eastern India. Will the port occupies most of southern India. Junjung on the border with Nepal and the India physically. The best point in India at 8,500 nm. And is that he speak in the world. This matter in India ranges from equatorial part to Alpine and tundra Himalayan areas. B. 1. Mention some island you can know about. Because presentation finished, I want to open the question. Who want to give question? Because nothing question, I want to close it.